printed in our terminal. Another useful conditional statement is the switch statement. It allows you to select which statements to execute from a group of options. Let's say we have a variable number of likes initialized to 10. We can use the switch statement with different cases, such as case 10 followed by the statements for that case. You can have multiple cases and even a default case that will be executed if none of the cases match. Since the value was 10, the code in case 10 was executed and we see this output. Now let's explore functions by creating one to add two numbers. To declare a function, specify the return data type followed by the function name and the parameters in parentheses. In our case, we will take two numbers as parameters and store them in integer variables. Then we enclose the code within curly brackets and use the return keyword to return the sum. To call this function and save the result of the addition, we can declare one variable, then we can assign the value returned by the function to that variable and provide the two numbers as arguments. Finally, we can print the value of the addition. And there you have it. In our terminal, we see addition of those two numbers. But what if you want to add some notes or explanations in your code for yourself or other developers? That's where comments come in. Comments are lines of text that are ignored by the compiler and are for human understanding only. There are two types of comments in C++. Single line comments. These comments start with // and continue until the end of the line. They are used to add short explanations or notes about the specific lines of code. Next is multi-line comments. These comments start with /* and end with */. They can span multiple lines and are used for longer explanations of the code. By using comments effectively, you can enhance the clarity and maintainability of your code. At last, to compile your C++ program, type G++, then your file name, for example helloworld.cpp, and then -o, then the name you want for the output file, for example hello, and hit enter. This will create an executable file. Type // and then the output file name to run your C++ program. So that's it for C++ in 10 minutes.